Imagine arriving in a tiny stone village just as the sun begins to set over the rolling Italian countryside. You hear the distant chime of church bells and catch the scent of fresh bread drifting through narrow alleys. If you could escape to a peaceful sanctuary above the vineyards, where would you go? Let us discover 12 enchanting places. Number 12 is Castelmezzano. Tucked away in the Basilicata region, this village is carved directly into jagged mountain peaks. It feels like a hidden fortress where every narrow staircase leads to a view that will take your breath away. Number 11 is Pitigliano, a Tuscan gem. It rises dramatically from a massive volcanic rock, glowing golden in the afternoon light. Walking through its ancient archways feels like stepping back into a time of nights and whispers. Number 10, Civita di Bagnoregio. Known as the Dying City, it floats above a mist-filled valley on a narrow stone bridge. Despite its fragility, there is a profound silence and beauty here that you will find nowhere else in the world. As we leave these dramatic cliffs behind, we travel toward the rugged coast where the air turns salty and sweet. Number 9 is Erice. High above the Sicilian coast, this medieval town is often wrapped in a mysterious, romantic mountain mist. Pause for a moment to taste the local almond pastries while gazing out at the vast sea below. Number 8 is Spello. In the heart of Umbria, this village is famous for its residents who transform every street into a garden. It is a place of quiet pride and simple beauty, where every corner smells like blooming jasmine. Number 7, Montepulciano. This Renaissance jewel sits high on a ridge, overlooking some of the finest vineyards in Tuscany. Explore its cool, vaulted wine cellars before stepping out into the sun-drenched piazza for a glass of red. Can you feel the warm stone under your hands? The journey continues as we head into the wilder heart of Italy. Number 6 is Calcata. Perched on a volcanic plug in a lush forest, this village became a sanctuary for artists and dreamers. Its bohemian spirit is alive in every workshop and gallery tucked into the ancient stone walls. Number 5 is Ostuni. The dazzling white city of Puglia shines like a beacon above a vast sea of ancient olive trees. Get lost in its labyrinth of white lanes, where every turn reveals a sudden flash of the blue sea. Number 4, San Gimignano. Often called the medieval Manhattan, its famous towers still dominate the Tuscan horizon. You can almost hear the echoes of medieval merchants as you enjoy a world-famous gelato in the central piazza. Our journey is almost complete. The final 3 villages are perhaps the most magical of all. Number 3 is Orvieto. Sitting atop a tufa cliff, its cathedral is a masterpiece of gold and stone that glows at sunset. Number 2, Matera. One of the oldest cities in the world, its ancient cave dwellings create a hauntingly beautiful stone landscape. And finally, number 1, Sant'Agata de Goti. A village so perfectly perched on a gorge, it feels frozen in time. Here, the pace of life is slow, the air is still, and the magic of old Italy is around every corner. Which of these villages would you visit first? Share your favorite Italian hilltop escape with us in the comments. Somewhere above the vineyards, a small village is waiting for you. Until next time, keep dreaming of Italy.